In this video, we're going to talk about how you can start a money-making YouTube channel with zero competition. Now, someone asked me the other day for YouTube channel ideas with zero competition. My first reaction was to laugh and think, come on my friend, how easy do you want it? It's just not possible. I mean, if something's worth having, then you're not going to be the only person that's going for it. Get used to the competition. Use that as a barometer that there is a need and a desire for your content. Generally, if you're the first person in, a true innovator, then there may not be any demand yet, and you're going to have to work your backside off to get your message out there. But that got me thinking, is there a zero competition YouTube channel idea that can make money? Maybe there is, or at least as close to it as I can find. So right from the start, forget about adverts. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch hours before you can even apply for AdSense to run adverts on your YouTube channel. Yet you want a niche that no one else is in, where there's no competition, and that just doesn't correlate. So how else can you make money on YouTube? My personal favourite business model is affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products, and if they buy using your link, you get a commission. It's a referral system. Luckily for you, YouTube lets you put your link on the screen, in the description, in the about page, your channel banner. And as far as social platforms go, YouTube is pretty supportive of trying to help creators make money. But zero competition? Yeah, that's going to be tough, I won't lie. But there are two things that go through my head here that can help you. Let's go over them now. First of all, it's all about you. There are thousands of channels that run content just like I'm doing here, yet here you are watching my channel. And why? I don't know. The animations, my awful accent, it could be anything. Whereas the niche and content isn't unique, there is something on this channel that is unique, and that's me. I am the zero competition because there's only one of me. Some people will prefer a female presenter, an American accent, someone more confident, or someone that doesn't speak English at all. Each viewer has their preference and different needs, so it's about finding your own audience that truly wants to watch and listen to yourself. By adding our own personality and our own quirkiness to our videos and our YouTube channels, that creates a little bit of uniqueness and cuts down that competition. But that's not everything, and this leads me on to my second thing of how we can create a YouTube channel with zero competition. Is it even possible? Now this one's a bit more direct. As I said earlier, we're going to make money via affiliate marketing. Now that doesn't mean that you have to be a sales extraordinaire. I'm definitely not. I work in IT support. I turn things off and I turn things on and I fix things for a living. Sales, marketing is a whole new world to me, and that can be the exact same for you. It doesn't matter if you've got a background or not. You can sell without selling. You can subtly leave your link or show in your videos who and how something can help someone. That could be through tutorials, how-tos, problem-solving videos. After all, that is one of the biggest reasons why people use YouTube. They want to solve a problem. But I know what you're thinking. Some of the big software is already being promoted. It's very, very competitive. And you're right, it is. And you specifically asked for zero competition. So here is what I would do. This is the compromise. I would familiarise yourself with software in particular niches, especially new releases, and especially ones that offer an affiliate scheme. Maybe they don't offer them from day one, but maybe further down the line they will do. Try and jump on anything early. As soon as there's a bit of buzz about it, jump on it. Capterra is a good site to monitor if you need suggestions, but also find the right forums, groups, channels that talk about new software. It could be software in general, it could just be web apps, it could be something that's very specific to a certain industry. If you've got any kind of expertise or knowledge in that industry and you can understand how it would apply. When you find one that has potential and solves problems that you think that people would like to use and buy, then get in early, create tons of videos and point them back to your affiliate link. Chances are that these videos won't be viral, but they don't have to be. We're going for quality over quantity. Now let's look at one of the newest sales funnel builders on the market, GrooveFunnels. At the moment, they're growing their subscriber numbers fast by offering it for free. The likes of ClickFunnels, Kartra, Builderall, they're huge in this market, and they've made some very wealthy affiliates because these powerful little websites can have so many uses. But whilst GrooveFunnels is very raw at the moment, if they fulfill their potential and stick to the product roadmap, then they could be huge. And at the moment, everything is just a little half built. And that means that many people won't sign up yet until they've ironed out some of the kinks and problems, until they've got more of a fully functional product out there. So the potential market growth is massive. Granted, it's not zero competition, but there isn't a huge amount of content on YouTube in comparison to some of the other products. If you got in early with this software a month or two ago, you would have hardly any competition. So they're trying to sign people up to a one-off deal that would earn you a decent amount of commission in your pocket. But that's just one example, there's other software out there. The trick is to helping others with your content. Use it yourself, test it, create content that shows how this can help its ideal audience, whether that's business owners, entrepreneurs, shop owners, whomever it is, create content that helps people. The same theory can be applied to any new piece of software. Keep an eye on certain industries and watch for the new releases and be the first person to jump on it. So is it possible to create a channel with no competition? Yes, but it would be extremely difficult. Potentially a channel that is so obscure you would never get a single view. I mean, is there any channels on YouTube that talk about three-legged badgers that live in the woodlands of the United Kingdom? Probably not. Is anyone going to look or search or view that kind of content? Probably not. But you can absolutely make money on YouTube from channels that have got less competition. Remember, it's you that brings a uniqueness to your channel. Often, the people that come back and watch your videos time and time again, there's something about you and your channel that they like. Combine that with being the first person in on that brand new piece of software, website or application. Solve people's problems and grow your YouTube channel with very little competition. Now, if you're looking for other ways to start a YouTube channel, I'm going to put some really useful videos on the screen now, and in the description I'm going to drop some links to some of the best software out there that I think has got huge potential. I'll see you on the next video.